Today we are in the historic center of Guilmi, a small village in Abruzzo region situated at just 35 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast with all kinds of basic facilities. And this is a small stone house, completely restored. This is the main entrance. This is the kitchen and dining room with vaulted ceilings. Here we have a small window. This is the bathroom with shower. A working fireplace and a wood burning oven. That's the washing machine. And now we can go upstairs. We are now on the first floor where the bedroom is situated. As you can see on the ceiling, it has beautiful wooden paneling. And also here a small balcony. The house is completely restored, retaining its vintage character. It has electricity and water connected, and it's on the market for €24,000.